So these are what the smiski keycaps are looking like. It's supposed to be the smiski with the cat on its head. Then I also have some commissions to be working on. I'm gonna work on these, and then to take a break from them, I make a smiski, and then I go back to doing commissions. I also had these little guys encouraging me the entire time. Got these little hats from this girl on Instagram. I'm gonna put her shop down below. I think her name was Sonny Supper. So I laid out all the stuff that I'm gonna be bringing. I don't know if I should show you because I don't know if people find this interesting. So I went to the Chiikawa pop-up in New York City. Here is everything. It's not all for me. A lot of it is for my friends as well. This bag is from Lilium's. It's like a skincare bag and I use it to travel with me everywhere. So the first thing I got was this medium-sized chiikawa. He's so cute. His head is so round. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but I got this little Hachiwara. He's so cute. I can't pick between him or chiikawa. Then I got these two like good luck charms. I got these magnets. Then I got this little, this little like photo holder or Polaroid holder. The pages are a little bit matte though. I bought it for my friend because I wanted her to put her Polaroids in it, but I'm not too sure how clearly she'll be able to see her Polaroids. Last things that I got were these two head plushies. They're so cute. They're so round. Just forgot about this. This is officially the last thing that I bought. It's a chiikawa neck pillow. I've had two neck pillows in the past, but I lost both of them. Look at what came in the mail today. I wasn't expecting to get this at all. Got these little smiski stickers as a freebie. Here are my lanyards. Okay, so first I reordered the Cat's Life lanyard, Sunny Angel Cat's Life. And I got this green smiski lanyard. The one change I'd like to make is the color of the blush. Doesn't really show up that well. And then I got blue smiski, but I got it with some silver hardware. This just arrived on my doorstep, and I think it's the acrylic charms and the foam grips. This box is gigantic. It's like the size of my upper body. Ooh. They're so cute. Oh, the frog is... Oh crap, the frog is really tiny. But the cow is huge. And these are my smiski ones. They're so cute. I think the size turned out perfect because I didn't want it to be too small or too big. Okay, these are, I think, way too small, but that's okay. Because some people were telling me that they really like the small ones. And then these ones are funny because it's really big. Here's some other keychains. And I made some buffski keychains because I thought they'd be funny. So I did a little cat smiski. This is the smiski that I really, really want, so I'm trying to manifest it. I don't know if I should have included this darker outline on the cat, but I wanted some contrast. I think he's so cute, and I love the no epoxy look as well. I like it a lot better than with epoxy. I just finished filming an unboxing video for these Dog Time Sunny Angels. Mr. Ami bought them for me, and I wasn't expecting him to buy them for me, so I'm really grateful. And if you watch the video, I'm gonna post it on my other socials, but I was manifesting these three and I actually got them. So now the only one that I want is a secret, but I don't think I'm gonna buy it because usually the secrets are super expensive when people resell it. And also it was funny because they told him that before he could buy a Sunny Angel, he had to buy a keychain and a sticker pack. So in total, these two and the 3 Sunny Angels came out to be a little bit over $50. But I could have sworn that you get this keychain for free for the first like however many number of orders if you order from the website. Right now we're in Minnesota and we visited Mall of America and we finished it in a single day. We thought it would take a couple days, like 2 or 3 days, so we booked a hotel to stay here for a week, but we finished it. So I don't really know what we're gonna do for the rest of the days, but I guess you'll see when I finish filming this video. ginger molasses cookie, and then I got this other pastry called like the pain sauce. And I bought this. It says it has vanilla cream and chocolate chips inside. There's some vanilla. We're renting out scooters so that we can go to the Stone Arc Bridge. We're supposed to be on the Stone Arc Bridge, but there's a detour everywhere, and I don't know where to go. We've been scooting around trying to look for it. I think this is the bridge, but I'm not sure.
That's where we came from.
We're at the bridge, but it's closed. It's closed for construction. We literally went around the perimeter back to our starting point because this is where we parked. It comes with pickles and grilled onions, but I got no pickles. This feels awful. And look at how nicely they packed it. It's like a beautiful letter. I feel like my makeup lasted for really long. I put this on at 6 a.m. and now it is 7 a.m. No, not 7 a.m. Now it's 7 p.m. So it's been on my eyes for over 12 hours and still on.